Welcome back, everyone. Let's dive straight into LTX Studio, a powerful AI that promises to turn your text and images into full-fledged videos. This 2025 overview will break down exactly what this platform offers based solely on its official website. LTX Studio positions itself as an all-in-one AI filmmaking suite, allowing you to generate consistent characters and maintain their appearance across multiple shots while building complex scenes from a simple prompt. Now let's talk about the positives straight from the source. The platform emphasizes its ability to create coherent narratives with a single prompt, which is a massive time saver. You get a unified workspace to manage your entire project, from generating clips to editing a timeline, and the highlight is the precise control over characters, ensuring they look the same throughout your video. Of course, no tool is perfect, and the website hints at the potential challenges. While it promises high-quality output, achieving truly professional results likely requires a skilled hand in crafting the perfect prompts and using the director's panel effectively, meaning there is a learning curve. The LTX Studio offers three main subscription tiers: Site, Standard, and Product. The Site plan costs $12 per month and includes 8,000 computing seconds for image and video generation, advanced camera controls, character animation, and video upscales for personal use. The Standard plan at $28 monthly provides 28,000 computing seconds, adds plug and rig, the video bottle, accelerated rendering, limited trained model access, and a commercial license. The top-tier product plan is $100 per month, offering 110,000 computing seconds, access to both Video 2 and Video 3 models, unlimited trained model access, collaboration for up to 3 users, and a full commercial license. All plans are billed annually. See you later, guys.